What's good, everybody? This your boy Be Easy, and welcome back to Beezy Shoe and Fashion Reviews. Now today we're unboxing the Joe FreshGoods Vault by Vans collection, aka the honeymoon stage in that khaki colorway. With all that being said, let's get to the heat. He came out with 3 different colorways in this drop. It was pink, red, and khaki. Now looking straight at the box, you got the iconic checkered, and you have JFG for Joe FreshGoods going through. On the ticket side, you don't have a pricing on it. You have OG style 36LX, which is the original style Vans that came out. This set right here, you just have your Vans logo, which is a skateboard. On top, you have Joe FreshGoods and Vans. You have everything happening for a reason. And on the bottom of them, you have a sizing guide. Now this box right here is a slide open box. So once you slide over, you notice the paper, you might not can see it, has the same thing it has on the side, the JFG going across in the checker, and the box is a little darker pink than the original outer box. Bam, Joe FreshGoods, Vault Vans, and khaki colorway. Now, first impression of the shoe, that this doesn't look like a khaki to me, it's more like a peach. Now, starting the toe box, you have a hairy suede going up into the lace guard. You have the same suede going up, and your tongue is actually the same type of suede as well. Going to the side of the shoe, you have a nice soft leather going across there, and you have the iconic checker with JFG in the boxes. And going towards the heel, you have that same hairy suede in the back. Very high quality suede, especially for a van. And right by the midsole, you have a line going across or around the whole shoe. To me, it's like a yellow or a yellowish tan. You have a white midsole, and inside the shoe, you have Joe FreshGoods Vans original inside and a white padding. And other than that, everything else is just plain. But right around the ankle support, you have that same type of suede again. Now they come with 3 sets of laces. The first laces, you have that khaki or peach colorway. You also have 2 more laces that at first look like the same color, but if you look at them closely, one is a little shade lighter than the other. And then on the sole, you have that translucent clear bottom. Now the reason it's called Vault by Vans because Vault by Vans celebrates its history and the legacy of a craft by elevating iconic designs through choice of materials and meticulous attention to detail. This right here has a very high quality leather as well as suede. Now this is Joe's first collaboration with the iconic brand Vans. Now he named it the honeymoon stage. Now we all know the honeymoon stage is supposed to be the beginning of a beautiful relationship. Joe himself describes the capsule as basically signaling the start of a strange yet educational relationship between myself and Vans this year. This is a mixtape before the album, said on Sneaker News. I'm personally waiting to see what else he cooked up with this collaboration. Now he has some hats and clothes that came out with it that I wasn't able to grab, but hopefully a lot of people don't hop on the hype train, and this continue to be easy W's. To me, $135 in the market today is a steal. You get an iconic shoe with upgraded material with a collab of Joe FreshGoods. Now I'm about to show you an on-foot look at the shoe, and after that, I'm gonna show you how I style this iconic shoe. Now, if you like anything you've seen, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, plug the notification bell, and hit me over the comments below and let me know how did you feel about this collaboration and how you feel about this colorway. And like always, never look down on anybody unless you're checking out these sneakers.